Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to resize an image in Photoshop. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to open up Photoshop on your Windows. So after opening up Photoshop on your Windows, you guys have to simply tap on open button to select the photo or video which you have to resize. So I'm selecting this one. So after selecting the photo, you guys have to go to upper left corner of image settings. In the image settings, you guys have to select image size. So after selecting the image size, Photoshop will allow you to customize your image size. So you guys can select according to your needs. Here is the first one is image width and second one is image height. Third one is resolution, and you guys can also select the measure, which is inches, percent, pixels. You guys can select according to your need and you guys can adjust the photo size properly. So after successfully resizing the image, you guys have to simply click on OK. After clicking on OK, your resize will be applied. Then the next step is you have to save the image. In order to save the image, you guys have to go to file section on the top left corner. Here you guys have to select save or save as option. So if you want to click on save, then it will override the original image. If you want to save as, then it will make copy of both original and edited. So in this way you guys can save your resized image from Photoshop. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.